Hi, my name's Bill Mackay from Blue Connections. Welcome to Tech Talk. Today we're going to talk about the HP Elite Dragonfly Generation 3. Here's the sucker here. Let's see what we've got. USB-C charger. Some documentation say this is silver, some said it was blue, so I'm glad to see they've kept the blue colour. Very lightweight device, running in at sub 1 kilogram, starting at 0.99 grams, so 990 grams, very light. All your latest 12th generation processors available in vPro or non-vPro, i5 or i7, up to 32 gig of RAM, Wi-Fi 6E. Fundamental change this time round though is it's a clamshell laptop, it's not a 360 hinge. Keep spinning that round, you're going to break it. Don't do it, don't do it. It's going to be expensive to fix, as are all laptops. Really super thin, lightweight. You've got your SIM card slot here on the side. That just pops out, so you can add your SIM card in. With 5G connectivity. Also, it's that thin that they have to put a little tail on the USB port. We'll show you that a bit later on. All the standard Wolf HP security embedded in this, available with SureView blackout screens for privacy purposes. So specs on this Dragonfly are awesome. With 13.5 inch screen from resolutions of 1920 by 1280 right up to 3K by 2K. At 400 nits brightness and touchscreen with IEEs, this is an awesome screen to be looking at all day. With 12th generation Intel Core i5 processor or i7, vPro or non-vPro, 10 cores, containing 2 performance and 8 economy cores and 12 meg of level 3 cache. This is available in 3 memory configurations, 8 gig, 16 gig or 32 gig. It, however, is soldered to the motherboard, so choose wisely. With NVMe storage options from 256 gig right through to 2 terabytes. It's running Intel Iris X graphics and Bluetooth 5.3. You can also have embedded 5G solution of wireless WAN. This will enable you to work from anywhere really fast. This thing's got all the ports. It's so thin though that the USB-A port has got a little flap on it to make it deep enough to fit a device in. It's also got 2 Thunderbolt 4 USB 4 ports in Type-C, a 3.5mm jack and HDMI port. It's even got a micro SIM card slot for the embedded 5G card. With the screen, you've got SureView option, which gives you the embedded privacy filter built into the screen. That's available on both touch and non-touch, but only in a 1920 by 1280 resolution. The HP Dragonfly Gen 3 has embedded Wolf security from HP, with self-healing BIOS and all the other security features built into that. It's quite an amazing product. Thanks for watching Tech Talk today on the HP Elite Dragonfly Generation 3. I'm Bill Mackay. Bye for now.